everybody, I'm Cheryl Hamilton, and today I'm going to show you my latest paper pumpkin kit, which is called Hello Spring. It's February 2025, and I want to open it, show you what's in it, and then give you an alternate idea or two. So before I dive in, I want to show you this kit coordinates with a bundle called Grow with Love, and it has like different herbs in it, and the die cut is the thing I was most excited about was this small little envelope. So I'm going to see what I can do with that. And also we still have the Spring is in the Air dies, and I'll probably do something with these. I think I'm shrinking here. I have to adjust this. Sorry about that. But I'll come back and give you some ideas for this cute kit. Okay, well, this is going to be an interesting video because my camera stand broke and I have it kind of duct taped up here. So I might make this a quick one. I'm going to open this and we'll see what's in here. This is always the fun part because you never know what's in your mailbox exactly. You get kind of a hint, you know, with a nice graphic that shows you what it is. And it's, what is it called? Hello Spring. So we know it's like flowers and stuff like that. So let me see. I have sending love to wonderful friend. Hello Spring. Thanks for helping me grow. Happy Easter. That's cool. I can use that. And then we have chives here. So that's fun. This is really pretty. Petunia Pop is a great color. And let's see what else is in here. It's really nice colors. I don't want to guess for sure. Okay, here's some tapes and twine, and a big pack of dimensionals. That's really cool. These are the envelopes, which they're a little bit smaller than normal, I think. They're really cute the way they open from the side, and I love the inside here. Here's what we get with our cards. Oops. Okay, this looks like a beige one, and I don't know what color this is, Lost Lagoon or something. And then a green one with leaves. So those are going to be neat. What else? I usually sit here and punch all these out first before I even make my card. So there's a whole bunch of pretty, probably pretty in pink or something. I guess I can look on this. Okay. This is Basic Beige, Bubble Bath, Lemon Lime Twist, Lost Lagoon, Old Olive, Petunia Pop, and Bronze. So, yeah, that's easier than guessing. They've got the directions here and a nice QR code so that if you want to see a video to help you along. They're really cute the way they are, but I'm going to come up with something different. I just don't know what yet. Here's some more pretty things to punch out. Okay, I'll be back and show you how to do something different with this kit. I'm going to try this idea I found from Laura Saki. She has some great ideas for paper pumpkin, and this one's called a diagonal card. I haven't done it before. I'm starting with Lemon Lime Twist cardstock, 8.5 by 5.5, scored down the middle at 4 1/4. I made a little mark up at 1.5, and I'm going to cut it from that mark down to the bottom corner. So you just put it in your trimmer with the groove just like that, and cut that little piece off. Okay, so that's going to be my card base. Next, I'm going to take this beige speckled card base, and I'm cutting it at, let me see, 4 1/8. So I have this little part left over with the score line by 5 3/8. I'm going to mark this just like the other one, 1.5, let me see, 1.5 inches from the right top edge. And then I'm going to cut it from the pencil mark to this corner down here. So from this pencil mark up here down to the right bottom corner. So I'm cutting a scrap of the lemon lime twist at 2 inches by 5.5. Okay, and then I'm just going to cut it diagonally in half. So put both points in the groove and slice it like that. I'm going to go ahead and emboss this. So next I'm going to take the piece of, this piece that I'd cut at an angle and glue it to the top of my card. And it just has a little bit of 1/8 of an inch margin. Okay, and this is going to go across here, but I'm going to glue it first so that there's a little bit of an 1/8 of an inch of the green on the top that shows. So that looks pretty even. I'm going to glue it down to the bottom like that and then snip this part off. So I don't want glue right there. I'm just going to try to estimate. Let me see. And I just go like that to even it along the bottom. Then I can turn it and cut off this extra little point. Okay, so that's looking cute. Now I'm going to take the embossed piece. I embossed it with my Fern 3D embossing folder and just gluing that down to the right side of the card. I'm just going to leave a green inside, but I could have easily put white below it. Cut out a piece of basic white cardstock and put below it. I've cut a piece of old olive cardstock, 2 1/8 by 3 3/8, so that it will show a little bit behind my little basil piece. So glue it together. And I'm just going to pop it up on my card here. Okay, I really like the shape of this card. It's not hard and it looks really pretty. Oops. So I like this Sending Love. I'm going to try to fit it on the little round thing I've popped up, and I'm stamping it with Old Olive. Okay, and let me see. I like this in the, this just came from the kit, and I thought it would be neat to put it there. So let me see what happens. Put a little bit of glue there. And I think I'm going to need to put a dimensional or two right under there. Let me just put one. There he goes. Just trying to get it straight. Oh, that's really pretty. So to finish it off, I'm going to try to tie a little bow with the twine that came with it. I usually keep it attached to the spool so I don't waste too much, and try to figure out how much I need for a bow. And then when I'm done, I can snip it off. I don't know where I'm putting it though. Let me see, up here. That's kind of cute. I think I'll do it up there. So just add a little glue dot. Just place it up there and then stick your twine on there, your little bow. Okay, and there you go. I think that's really cute. So I think this is a really fun shape for a card, and you could do the other cards this way, just add different color bases. And I hope you guys like this today and are able to follow along. Thanks again for subscribing to Paper Pumpkin, and you guys have a great day. Aloha.